Welcome back. Well, it looks like it's going to be a soaker for Wednesday. Several rounds of rain and storms, and each successive round of rain and storms could lead to isolated or even widespread flooding. A fairly big flood event is shaping up, or at least the threat of it, as we head into tomorrow morning and then continuing through tomorrow night, hopefully ending sometime midday on Thursday. So let's take a look at the big picture here as we have our storm system beginning to produce showers and widespread thunderstorms mainly across the Arklatex this evening. This whole mass will be slowly moving eastward with time. It's been moving the individual storm cells from the southwest to the northeast, edging ever so slowly to the east, and the tail end of this still north and west of Houston. That probably is not going to get here until closer to daybreak tomorrow. So most of the evening just mild, kind of foggy. We have the low overcast skies out there, and again, power Doppler 3 for right now indicating pretty clean sweep across the area, though there's plenty of mist in the air, and we'll have that through the evening hours as temperatures hold in the 60s. So here's the updated flood watch and river flood warnings. I've included that as well. So generally the entire state, just about, with the exception of in Acadiana, Lower St. Martin and St. Mary Parish, in a flood watch. National Weather Service going for the potential of 4 to 8 inches, and we'll show you where that is going to be most likely. And then you see these outlined areas. These are river flood warnings in anticipation of the rains that are coming. So we have one for the Vermilion, one for the Mermentau, then the Calcasieu, and over here these are actually flood advisories as you get into eastern Texas. Now, as we take a look at the big picture, we have a large area of a moderate risk of excessive rainfall from southwest Louisiana, including most of Acadiana. A slight risk as you go farther north and west, but this is the zone we'll be watching as we move forward. So let's take a look at the graph model. We showed you the HER model earlier. Here comes the rain and storms prior to daybreak that we think they'll be entering the western parishes and then impacting most of Acadiana during school bus time and travel to work time. So we'll have an initial round of storms pushing on through. Then additional rainfall redeveloping in the afternoon or evening hours, and this is what we're a little bit afraid of. So we're going to have showers and storms training over the same areas, and then another round builds as we head into the overnight hours, Wednesday night through Thursday morning. So if this model verifies, we're going to see some spots catching more than 10 inches of rain. Fortunately, by Thursday afternoon, things dry out. We might see a little sun, temperatures in the lower 70s, and then maybe more rain as we head into Friday. So here's the Weather Prediction Center's forecast. In general for Acadiana, we could say 4 to 8 inches of rain, higher amounts as you get into western Louisiana, central Louisiana, but we're not sure if we're going to see, we may see more than 3 to 5 in the southeastern parishes. So we may see St. Mary and Lower St. Martin included in the flood watch with time. So let's take a look at the model runs. We showed you the HER model here, and boy, if you look at it, 4 to 7 looks good. And again, remember, yellow is 8 inches, so we're not interrogating every part of this map. So good soaking, guaranteed pretty much 3 to 7 inches for most of Acadiana, and then they're going to be the isolated hot spots. And you look at the graph model occasionally gets hot and bothered, but it's been continuous on bird dogging the possibility of more than 10 inches of rain. Earlier today was over towards southwest Louisiana, coastal parishes. Yesterday it was over by St. Mary Parish. So we know this changes, but the model is concerning that it's showing 10-inch rainfalls in the hotspot areas. So we could have some major flooding in some spots, and that's through Thursday afternoon. In addition to that, we do have a severe storm risk, a marginal risk of an isolated severe storm that could produce damaging winds or hail. But the main thing is going to be that flood threat as we move forward through tomorrow night, and into Thursday. So overnight tonight, mild evening, rain and storms developing after about 3 o'clock in the morning, and it's going to be a stormy start to the day, and it will continue all day long for our Wednesday. Rounds of rain and storms, and it's about the rain rate, 1 to 2 inches per hour per round, and we expect at least 2 to 3 rounds. So that you do the math, you're getting up there to that 4 to 6, 4 to 8 inch rainfall total. So soggy day. We'll call it a weather alert day for the flood potential tomorrow, not for the severe weather. Rain chances diminishing early Thursday, more rain late Friday night, but that's not going to be severe or heavy. Clearing out for the weekend and cooling off as we head into next week. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.